So here we enter in the first area of production, a wide format printer. About 100 square meter here. This is the area for promotional printing with UV printers. Mimaki, pre-treatment for t-shirts, t-shirt printing, brother. Here is the other area of engraving. We just have some products for a company, which is Gal. Wide format CNC, we have two lasers, American one and German one, a little CNC. This is a product for a client. We have a router for polystyrene, as you may see here. This has auto cleaning function. It's Sunday, nobody working today. And here we go upstairs to the third area of production. Here is the wide format area. Cutting plotters, laminators, wide format printers, another cutting plotter, a Mimaki. There we have an HP latex. This is for municipality of a town near Cluj. This is for 3D letters. And here we have the 3D letters. We do something like this with this kind of side. So we go back. We were here. So here we have the wide formats. It's a hybrid printer. As I said, it's Saturday. So we go toward the front office, the showroom, as the previous was. So